Did you know you can create your own 3D avatar on WhatsApp? Let me show you how in seconds. Now open WhatsApp and then go to the settings. Then tap on avatar. And here, tap on create your avatar. Now let's get started. And we have two options here. You can create from selfie or create manually. So I'm going to tap on create manually. Now customize it with your style. Let's choose a skin tone. Next, hairstyle. Next, face shape. Scroll down for more options. Tap on next, the body type, masculine, feminine, choose this one. And then more options available here as well. Tap on continue. And here we have like a bunch of customizations available as well for the hair, makeup, face, body, and everything. Tap on done, publish avatar. Now tap on browse stickers. These are all the stickers available. Once done, you can use it as stickers in chats and even as your profile pictures. Let's go to a chat and try. When you open the chat, tap here. And here we go. Simple, fun, and personal. Follow for more.